Hi, boys and girls. Today in writing, we are going to practice a strategy for spelling words. What is inside a Charms Blow Pop? You're right. Bubblegum. We all know that. Bubblegum is chewy and stretchy. So we're going to practice spelling words like second grade students. And we're stretching out the word so that we can hear each letter that makes up that word. First, let's go over our learning target. As writers, we are learning to stretch out our words so we can try to spell words correctly. We will know we have it when we can write a sentence using bubblegum spelling. That's our target today. As writers, and we are getting ready to write on chart paper or in your spiral notebook or on your piece of paper, you always write the date. Today's date is 9 2 20. We have the date on our paper. And I'm thinking, you always want to put your thoughts together, and you can always draw a picture to go along with your writing. And I know you've talked about that in writing class. So I'm going to take a second and draw a picture of someone in my family. And as I draw the picture, I think about this person. And I drew a picture of my mom. I'm going to practice using bubblegum spelling to write a sentence about my mom. My mom. I'm not sure how to spell that word, but I can think about my bubblegum spelling and stretch the sounds out. M. That's the sound of M. Mom. My mom reads. Reads to me. M-E. My mom reads to me. Something else that my mom does. My mom, and I remember my bubblegum spelling of stretching out that word mom, cooks, cooks spaghetti, my favorite meal. Spaghetti. That's a hard word to spell. But let me see if I can use my bubblegum spelling strategy to spell this word. I know those two letters are SP. Spag. Ha, ha, ha. Et. E. Sounds like E, spaghetti. Sounds like E on the end, but to spell it correctly, it would be the letter I. So now I have written two sentences that go along with my picture of my mom. I should always reread my sentences and just ask myself, does it make sense? My mom reads to me. My mom cooks spaghetti. Now, I also want to be a star writer. So, to do that, I can think about my star writer checklist. And did I do everything on this checklist? First, use finger spaces. Did I space between each word? I did. I would check that off. The next one, use punctuation, a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. I did use punctuation at the end of each sentence. Use an uppercase letter at the beginning of the sentence. That's a rule. When you are writing, always capitalize the first letter of the first word in the sentence. And both of my words in the sentences are the same. I capitalize the M in my in both sentences. Use the word wall to spell words. So if you're not sure how to spell a certain word that you want to write in your sentence, look at the word wall in your writing class Google Classroom folder. And there should be a word wall in there that might help you with spelling of your words. Sound out tricky words and write what they hear. That's the second grade strategy in writing. Bubblegum spelling. You're stretching out that word so that you can hear the sound of each letter in that word and you write the letter that you hear. And I did that. I did that on mom. I did that on spaghetti. I did it on cooks. The most important, reread. For you to be a star writer, every sentence you write, reread it and ask yourself, does the sentence make sense? Does it have a subject, the who and the what the sentence is about? Does it have a verb? What action are they doing? And then, did you capitalize and did you use punctuation? Practice these strategies and you'll be a star writer like we know you are. I can't wait for you to practice your bubblegum spelling on your words when you write a sentence today. Have fun.